remember we were saying that you guys also saw this on the video, but there are the pictures. We kind of just went through fast by reading it. So today we're just actually looking at the pictures and wondering what's going on in the picture. So what's all this stuff right here that you see?
Water.
Water. That's water coming out from the ocean. Where's that big wave going to go onto the land? That's right. It's going to come onto the land, and it makes something like what you call a tsunami. Can you say tsunami?
Tsunami.
Yeah, that's a tsunami. And then with all that too, there's another destruction that comes on the land, but it makes beautiful things too, huh? These are broken up. See that crack right there? That's caused by a what? Earthquake.
Earthquake.
Yeah, the earthquake made this happen, and the tsunami, the water all coming up on the land, and that's how you see it. See that? Let's go back. Go to the other page. Going backwards. But we saw this too. What was this one, you guys? The volcano. This is all the smoke that's coming out from that mountain, huh? And then,
I'm not gonna lie, that looks scary.
oh yeah.
Yeah, because all that steam.
Yeah. So this is also the volcano. And look at the lava running down like a river. Look at that. All that hot
That
stuff.
looks like a river, but when it looks like it's gonna go night.
Yeah, it's really hot stuff though. You don't want to be near it because it's going to burn you. Yeah. So that's what a picture of a volcano is like right there. And remember I told you about this one place that actually almost every 10 years or something has that. Remember that? Which city was it? It's the mountain is called Mount St. Helens. Can you say that?
Mount St. Helens.
That's in Washington. So they get it. They get it every now and then. There's a big volcano mountain over there. Okay? Mount St. Helens. Okay. So let's go to the next page. What do we see here?
Earth.
Earth. All in sections, huh? Some of them are the same thing though. See how it started kind of? They were all together. Look at the land. They're all together. Right here, what's happening?
All splitting apart.
Spreading apart, and then more spreading apart, and then what about right here?
More spreading apart.
Which one do you think is our land today? Is it this one?
No.
Is it this one?
No.
Is it this one?
Yes. No,
Or
that
this
one.
They're kind of,
That one,
these
that
two are
one.
almost the same, but
The down one.
yeah, this one, huh? Yeah. So, see what happens is that there are plates in the ocean that kind of shift back and forth, and then once things happen, then these things start breaking up because of either earthquake or things like that. See that? So this is ours today. Have I got it?
Yes.
Okay. So ready for me to turn the page? Before I do, what's this a picture of?
Earth.
What's going on with the earth?
It's breaking apart.
Yeah, it's kind of coming apart, changing, huh? It changed from this to this, and then it changed into this from this, and then it goes into that last one right there, okay? All right, then, let's take a look at this one. What do you think anything like this is called that has a shape like this? What do you think that's called? It's like an arch. Do you know the word arch?
Arch.
And it makes like a rainbow kind of thing.
Yeah.
That's an arch. That's
Oh,
an arch.
I've been to that place.
Oh, well, this one, it was made in Arches National Park in Utah. You went to Utah?
I went to Utah. I went to Utah too, and we went to Las Vegas.
So you would have seen.
That's-
Listen, boys and girls, I'm still talking. Look at that. This is what is caused. You know what caused that one though? It was the wind. Very, very strong wind. That kind of got some of that out of the way. So the wind has to be really strong, huh? To move stuff out of this rock. And now it's shaped like an arch. Look at that. And then what's this a picture of?
Ice.
Huh?
Ice.
Ice. ocean. They're called glaciers. Can you say glaciers?
Glacier.
Yeah, once it falls in, and then it just stays there. It looks like a mountain when if a person is in a ship or something, they'll see ice in the middle of the ocean.
And it'll make a wave.
Yeah, they're called icebergs. Can you say iceberg?
Iceberg.
Yeah, so they fall in the ocean. It forms an iceberg. But what kind of animals would live in that cold area?
Polar bear.
Polar bear, penguins, yeah. And probably there are some fish and other things that can take the cold in there too, right? Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I believe we're to the front page now. What's this a picture of?
A different planet.
This is our Earth. This is, if it was cut like this is what you would see. See that? There's 3 parts to it. This middle one is called the core. Can you say core?
Core.
And then right above it is the mantle.
Mantle.
And then the top is the crust.
Cross.
Crust. Yeah, the crust. So we have, let me see, let's get closer. Say crust, mantle, oh, the brown part. And then the yellow in the middle is the core. Core. Say core.
Core.
Yeah, so that's what we have on our Earth. It is a giant ball in space. How big do you think it is?
Really big.
Really big, because there's a lot of people around, huh? A lot of people on Earth, a lot of people, a lot of animals. What else?
A lot of buildings.
A lot of buildings,
And a lot of cars.
cars, yeah, people. Yeah, so it's really big because it's all around the world. You have people at the top, people to the sides, all the way to here on the bottom, back up. And the world is actually doing what?
Spinning around.
Yeah, it's really slow. We can't tell, huh? Like we'll be standing still and we're spinning around. Can't feel it, huh? Can't feel it, right? But that's what's going on. Really slow.
You can feel it.
Yeah, it would be if we was really fast. That would not be good. Okay, so this is the end of the Restless Earth. What is the book called?
Restless Earth.
Yeah, and it was a good book. It was by Melvin Berger.